Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We're gonna talk about circles. What is the center of the circle given that its equation is x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 4y equals to 4? Now let me introduce you to the equation of circle. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals to r squared, which is the radius. So to find out the center, let's write the x's and the y's apart, and I want to make it easy for you, so I want to show you this. So x squared minus 2x and y squared minus 4y. There's a shortcut how to solve this, and I want to show you this because it really makes your life easy. So divide the x's and the y's by 2, and then after you get the number, for instance, I get -1, square it. So your job is divide it by 2 and square it. Always square it, always divide by 2. It's important. So at the bottom it will be -2 and then square it. And then if I square -1 and -1, it will be a +1. So add 1. And whatever you do on one side in an equation, you do it on this other side as well. We basically added 1 here, so we're gonna add 1 here as well. And then -2 and -2 gives us +4. So we're gonna add this here as well. Put an equal sign and open up a parentheses. And before you square, write the numbers always down. Write every step you do down because it will make it easier for you. Let me show you right now what will make it easier for you. X minus 1 squared. Why? Because x times x is x squared, and -1 times -1 is +1. We had written this down. It will make it easier for you if you write every step down. Now at the bottom, let's do it together. Open up a parentheses, y minus 2 squared. Y times y is y squared, and -2 times -2 is +4. Now let's put these together actually. Now, wait, give me a second. X minus 1 squared plus y plus, because on the actual equation of the circle it said plus, so we're gonna put a plus obviously. Y minus 2 squared equal sign, and then we have this, write this down, 4 plus 1 plus 4, which will give us 9. And then these are the center, right, at the equation of the circle, so we're gonna look at these numbers. So as you can see, it's at -h, right? And we have -1. Negative and negative always gives us positive, so we have +1 for x center. And then we have -k and -2, so negative and negative is positive, so we have a +2 for the y center. So our center is 1 to 2, x and y. That's the choice A. Actually, I'm explaining right now. Let me tell you how to find the radius as well. This is the radius. So 3 times 3, 3 squared is 9, which means 3 is the radius. You can always see that. For example, if it would be 81, it would be 9. If it would be 36, it would give us 6 for the radius. If it would be 16, it would give us 4 for the radius. But it asks us only for the center, so only calculate the center to not waste time. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or confusions, comment down below.